Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle. Practically it could be any Kia vehicle. If you guys have AC does not work, the AC does not activate, the compressor doesn't work on your Kia vehicle, stay with us. We'll explain how a bad AC pressure switch can cause that and how you can test the AC pressure switch and find out if it's good or bad. How to test AC pressure switch on Kia. All that will be covered in this video today. It should be helpful on most Kia models, but some of those could be Kia Optima, Kia Forte, Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento, Kia So and Kia Rio as well. So let's explain how to test that switch today. So as I said, this should work on multiple models Kia. Now let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you guys, free videos. Now if you need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. And another thing guys, check out our main YouTube channel. It's called Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars on future repairs, so check it out, subscribe. We're constantly pumping new content. Specifically guys, we'll be demonstrating on 2013 Kia Optima that we have right here. So when we open the hood, okay, on the front side you have the condenser, AC compressor is all the way down there, that's the clutch driven by the serpentine belt, and if I come underneath, okay, you can see the compressor is right here guys, that's what it is. So now how the system works guys. Okay, you have two ports usually, low pressure, high pressure charging ports, and somewhere on the AC line you're going to have a sensor. That sensor is known as an AC pressure switch. Why do we need to have that thing? Because when you turn the AC button on, the engine computer needs to figure out on your Kia if you guys have enough pressure to safely activate the AC clutch and that way activate the compressor. Otherwise, if you don't have pressure, it means you don't have freon. It will actually seize the compressor, it will be broken, and if you have too much pressure, okay, it can cause damage as well, so it will not activate it. So the purpose of that switch is to detect if you have freon and to make sure that it's the correct amount of freon as well. So how do you guys test it? Okay, first make sure everything's plugged in, you don't have loose wires, broken wires, anything like that. Connect the charging gauge, okay, and just make sure that you have pressure in the system, okay. Make sure you have pressure in the AC system, it's not completely empty, because if you have a leak or the freon leaked out, okay, that switch will show zero pressure, and if it's broken it will show zero pressure in some cases too. So now if you have a good reading guys, okay, we'll show you how to do that now. This is the computer that we use for diagnostics guys. This is simply amazing too, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below, okay, where you can get it from. It's amazing. It can pay itself off in one-time use. You can see it works on almost any car you can think of. Kia is right here. I'll just click VIN, auto detect, and now let me just explain a little bit about that computer. With the help of that computer guys, you can read the lead and see live data for every computer system in your car, which makes it super powerful too, okay. And pretty much almost like a dealer level equipment without the programming and the active testing, but you can still do quite a bit of testing just by checking parameters and things like that. Okay, for instance, right now if we come right here, okay, we select control unit, okay, next engine, okay, after that we need to select live data. It's going to load, and once we have live data selected, okay, you can see all the parameters that you can check for your car, which makes it, as I said, super powerful too. Now for instance, you can check probably you can check guys more than 100 parameters, 146. That's unbelievable. So you need to find the one that says AC pressure switch. Well, let me see where it is. Yep, right here, AC pressure guys, and right here it says 27.58 kilopascals. So depending on the unit that you're using, okay, it might be different. Ours, we're using PSI on the gauge, but you can change that through the computer. And you can see definitely guys a working sensor. If it shows zero, or if it goes all the way up, okay, it shows like 255 or something like that, you have a problem. So if it's working, okay, it'll show good number, and if I add a little bit more, Okay, we jump to 41.37, so you can see that's a working sensor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.